Good afternoon, all. Today I will provide you certain information regarding advertisement. Advertising is very important tool to boost up the sales as well as company's brand image as well as products brand image. It's very important tool and one of the most important promotional mix, I would say, apart from personal selling, sales promotion as well as publicity. Companies are spending a lot of monies regarding this kind of advertising. Now, important thing is that what is the basic idea about advertising? Advertising is basically a non-personal means through paid media where the source is the sponsoring organization. That means you have to provide, you are basically giving an advertisement for your product or your company through a platform. This may be newspaper, this may be TV, this may be radio also, and you have to pay from your own pocket for this kind of things. So advertising is basically the dissemination, you can say, of information by non-personal means through paid media where the source is the sponsoring organizations. You may take help of the different advertising agencies or you may not take help of advertising agencies. Now important thing is that advertising includes different using of different medias. It may be newspaper or magazines, it may be radio as well as televisions, it may be I would say window display as well as in the counter, store signs. These kind of things are there each and every day. The basic objectives of advertising program is to generate or to stimulate the sales among the present day situation. We are basically giving advertisement to enhance our sales, to communicate with the consumers. Basically, it is a way through which you are giving the information about your product, your companies, and other things. And you also maintain a good rapport with your existing customers. That means those who are the loyal customers of your companies or your products, you should have a very good relationship and it increases the support. That means when the salespeople or marketing department is going all out for the development of the products, increase the performance of the product or products, I would say, it will definitely boost up the morale of the people. The sales people, they are basically very important here right at this moment, because in a business organization, the role of sales people is always underestimated. But this is not the true picture, because we are the only person who are basically generating the money for your organizations. They will generate the sales by which company is getting money. That is most important. So sales and marketing team basically are doing these kind of things, and for that reason advertising is playing an important role there, because it is very difficult for each and every organization to maintain huge number of salespeople. You cannot reach each and every places through your marketing person. You have to rely upon certain other things also. That's why advertising play an important role here, just to aware the company's product about the company's products as well as services. Yes, it is available right at this moment of time. So it has an impact onto the mind of the consumers as well as for the salespeople or the sales team also. At the same time, it will create an image of the company. When you are watching the, I would say, advertisement of Apple, what is that? They are giving an aspiration. It gives an aspirational message. Aspirational message is very important at this moment of time, because if you are an executive, you want to build your career in any organization, you want to buy this Apple brand. This is basically a different kind of thing. They are using a closed circuit, I would to say, because it's very difficult. It is very difficult to hack that particular system. That's why people, I mean to say, executives, vice presidents are using this Apple brand. Yes, there are a lot of minus points also, but the most important thing, it is the most trusted network. Chances of hacking is very less. At the same time, quality is also there. So the person who is using this Apple brand, they have developed this kind of aspiration that next time I will go for a much better version of Apple. So that is important. Advertising may be informative, product advertising, persuasive or reminder oriented advertisement. When you are basically launching your organization, I mean to say launch your product, you require information product advertising, so that customers will come to know about your products and services. That is very important. That's why you have to provide some information about the product. Even it is a line extension, you have to provide this kind of thing, that these new features are added right at this moment of time. Now, persuasive product advertisement, when you are facing stiff competition, you have to go for persuasive. And reminder oriented product advertising is basically for your mature products. That means advertising is very important depending upon the which category of product life cycle your product is. That is very important. Whether it is in introductory phase, growth phase, maturity phase, or decline phase, these are basically very important. Now, advertising may be based on area of operation. It may be national advertising, local advertising, or regional advertising too. Advertising in industry is basically three groups. One is sponsorer, media, and advertising agencies. That is also very important, because sponsors means the company which are basically promoting their products. Media here is important because which kind of media or platform you are using. It may be print media, it may be television, it may be radio also. Advertising agency or an advertising department should be there, because you have to rely on them, because it's a specialized job. So this is very important. And most important thing is that, yes, apart from advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, these are also very important promotional means. I will just give you glimpses of advertising. Thank you.